Morning, tubers. I went down and got some button head screws. I think that's going to look better than this. So let's get these out of there and get the button head screws in there, and we'll be done. Oh yeah, it is Monday the 18th. It's about 12 noon, and yeah, I've been out and about doing a few things this morning. Organized solderless connectors today. I got that box, I got that, I got them all over the place, so I want to put them in one spot, so they're going in here. I got this, went down to McFadden-Dale, so we're gonna use this for solderless connectors. They're the rest of the button head screws for the vent, and so we'll get that done. So when I get more, I'll bring you guys back later. Well, those look a lot nicer than the cap head screws. I like this. I wonder if, I don't know, I don't think I got any stainless washers. Go over it, be 6 of them. We'll have to find out. I think a washer would look better too. So let me go do some digging and see what I got, and see if we come up with some washers. More in a minute later. Found some washers. I was thinking, hold on, where? Let me find one. Hang on. I was thinking of putting these in there. Nah, I don't think they look good. But definitely looks better with the washers. What do you guys think? So, yep. So that's it for this. Pat's coming by tonight after work. We're going to put this on. And yeah, I got the wipers on yesterday. I got to readjust the passenger side one because it's down a little bit too low. So, but yeah. So when I get more, I'll bring you guys back later. Hey tubers, hood's back on. And actually, it's Wednesday morning. Is it morning still? Just turning 12 noon now. But yeah. So we're going to back this in, get it almost dead center in the garage, and then get it up on jack stands and start taking the suspension down. And I got the shocks on order, or the springs on order. We don't know about the shocks on the front yet. The rears are good, the fronts we don't know about. So when I get more, I'll bring you guys back later. Oh, the fan's on. Oh, there goes the antenna. Do I want it more over this way? This is going to be up in jack stands for probably about 2 months. I'm thinking. And you got to remember, the way I'm 70 years old. I work on a fixed income, so pockets aren't deep. So yeah, I think I'm going to move it over more that way. So rather than you guys watch me pull this thing in and back it in and pull it in and back it in, I'll shut it off and I'll bring you guys back when I got something else done later. Morning tubers, it's what, 11:35? We're about 78 in the garage. And yeah, the car's up on jack stands. Tires are over there, as you can see. And I started on the coil springs already. I did video starting Monday, and well, let me shut this fan off. I did video starting Monday, and didn't seem to, I lost some of it, most of it probably. I went looking for it and I found bits and pieces of it. I don't know what happened when I downloaded it or what, but I'll probably put this together. Oh God, now the battery. Hey, good morning, tubers. The battery's finally charged up. It's Friday, October 23rd, and I've been taking the coil-overs off, or trying to. This front, we got disconnected, and I've been pulling those down. So I still gotta take the sway bar loose, and then take the nut loose and drop the lower A-frame to get the shock out, but we got to get the tension off the spring first. Been using the heck out of anti-seize. So rears are done, and so yeah. So that's where we're at. Today's a live show at 2:30. Plus Nancy and I are going to go vote this morning, so we get that out of the way. So I don't think there's going to be much going on here, except sitting down and doing that, and I'm not going to video that. I still like how that came out. Yeah, it did come out pretty cool. At least I think so. Yeah. So that's all I got. So Saturday probably will be the main day that we'll get everything off, and or get the coilovers off and then get them taken apart. New springs are on order, and that's about all I got going on today, other than the live show later on at 2:30 Vegas time. Come join us if you can, and that'll be it. Since it's up on the air, and once I get the coilovers off, I'll do a video of underneath of the car with the heights and the 4-link and the curry rear end and everything else. So, all right, I got good clothes on. I don't want to get down on the floor now. So that'll be it for today, and I want to thank everybody for watching, subscribing, and of course leaving comments later.